Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Omid and we are going to talk about laptops batteries. Did you know that there is a hidden tools inside your Windows laptop that tells you everything about your laptop's battery health? If you don't know, just bear with me in this video. I'm going to show you how to find it and how you can get all the useful information out of it. Without further delay, let's jump into the topic. All right, we are here. We're just going to go ahead and type CMD in the search bar. When it showed up, we're just going to right click on it and run as administrator. And then we're just going to type powercfg battery report and hit enter. And as you can see, it's going to say battery life report saved to the file path. There is a path. We're just going to copy this path. Control C. We're just going to open run with Windows plus R and paste this path here and hit OK. Alright, in this section, you're just gonna face a battery report, which is gonna give us a lot of information that is really important. First, we're just gonna see the computer name, system product name, BIOS, OS build, platform role, and connected standby, and also report time, which is of course today and at this point. And when you go like a little bit further, scroll down, you see the installed batteries, information about each currently installed battery. We have only one battery, which is our primary, and the brand is, of course, HP. There is a serial number for it, and there's two important numbers when we are looking for it. First is the design capacity, which is 46,512 milliwatt hours. And the second one is a full charge capacity. At this case, it's 37,677 milliwatt hours. What does fully charged capacity and design capacity means? So design capacity is the battery capacity when the laptop is brand new and it comes out of the company. What is fully charged capacity? Fully charged capacity is the capacity that when the laptop at this point have a fully charged, that is its real capacity. In this case, you can see it's almost 20% less than the design capacity. And also there is one thing can be noticed is a cycle count, which in this case is 494, which means this laptop has been charged from 0 to 100 almost 500 times. There is an easy calculation. I'm just going to show you how you can get your battery health in a percentage. You're just going to open your calculator and type the fully charged capacity, which is 37,677 divided by 46,512. Hit equal and then time this to 100, which is going to give you the percentage. And as you can see, my laptop's battery health is 81%, which for a laptop which I've been using this laptop for almost 8-9 years, is not bad. Because one thing that I'm going to mention, that normally I use my laptop with the AC charger connected. I'm not using the laptops like a laptop without connecting to the power as much as I can, because when you use the laptop's battery more, you're gonna get less capacity at the end, and I don't like that, because I'm always most of the time I'm at home and I have the charger beside me, so why not? And we're gonna go ahead and see some more useful information. When you scroll down, you're gonna see the recent usage, which is gonna be for the last 7 days. We don't see too much information here because I'm not using this laptop as my daily. That's why we don't have any graph here either. So when you scroll down more, you're going to see more usage history based on when you turn on your laptop and work with it, and how many hours it was connected to the charger, or how many hours it was on a battery. As you can see, mostly it was connected to the AC. So yeah. And when you scroll down more, you're going to get to the battery capacity history, which is going to give you more information that how your battery start to lose its capacity during the years and months. As you can see, it started from 2023 until yesterday, which is 2026. And then when you scroll down more, you're going to get more active hours. Like, what does that mean? Means like when the laptop is fully charged, how many hours can give you a screen time. And as you can see, screen is and it's about like 3 hours and 30 minutes right now. And since the OS installed, which I installed Windows 11 on this laptop like almost 6 months ago. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from this important topic, when especially when you want to buy like a used laptop. You don't have really time to look like test the battery in front of the seller, right? So the best option, you can just see the capacity of the laptop, the battery, in like less than 2 minutes, right? And normally in the technology environment, that they suggest when your battery health is below 70 or even between 60 to 70 is the time to change the battery to get the highest performance from the device as you can get. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you like my video, you can thumbs up, hit the like button, and if you want and if you have any recommendation, you can just type in the comment below. Cheers.